Okay, I want to make a video on the difference between a OEM strut and a aftermarket strut. Okay, I got two struts here. The one on the left is the OEM strut, and the one on the right is a Monroe Spectrum strut or aftermarket strut. And they're basically the same height, except I think they're both 24 inches tall, okay, as far as the height. But you can see a difference in the shape of the coils right here. I don't know if you can see that. These seem to be a little fatter. These seem to be a little, thinner where they are made. You're going down here to the bottom. Okay, this has the OEM motorcraft. This is a motorcraft brand right here. The label's still on it. Okay, and this happens to be a front right strut, and this is also a front right strut. But the major difference is down at the bottom. Okay, this part right here is basically the same thing. The only difference is the spacing. This is the one came off another vehicle. From here to here. Okay, this one's about 1 inch longer at the bottom. You can see the difference like right here. And if you come back over here and you look closely, right here, the spacing, if you look close, that's the only difference with this strut. And that's what a lot of people are having a problem with. Just the 1 inch difference at the bottom. This is 1 inch longer, like I said. And actually, on this one, if you install this one on the same vehicle, you will have to lower the subframe in order to get this on. Now for this one, since it's about 1 inch shorter, I didn't have to lower the subframe in order to remove this strut from the vehicle. But again, you see the major difference right here. I don't have a anything to measure it, but it's about 1 inch difference in the length down here at the bottom.